Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I am back again. And fortunately enough, the results of the poll, which may not make sense to you, but I had two products I was going to do. This one won out, so it's the grab handles. We're going to talk about these grab handles right here from Sukemichi. This is for specifically the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. And the reason why is they actually have to wrap around, and let me move this so you can see. So what they have to do is they have to wrap around not on the inside because there's an airbag in here deploying in this direction and down. You have to wrap it around the backside so that it stays out of the way of the airbags. Now, cool thing about this is they'll actually fit in these holes. I thought they would fit in these pre-existing screws here, but they seem so small that I was like, I don't know if it's going to handle that weight. If you look inside the bags here, you can see these large bolts and a large washer. So the one thing I do notice is you can't reach around from the back side over here on this thing. So you have to reach around from the front side here. So there's a large hole up here. So that's probably why there's a very large washer that goes on this. And then this smaller hole here. So I would tell you that the front ones are easier to do than the back ones because the front ones you can take off the freedom panels here. Look at that. I like the stitching with the red and the black. I'm a Georgia Bulldogs fan, as we all know. Also, this Rubicon has red hints everywhere. Red with the black. Now, if there was a way to make it the same color as my color, which is Anvil, which is this bluish gray color, yeah, but this is going to be pretty darn nice. So let's go ahead and get this going. You get two of these for the front with these nice riveted section here, and then also sewn in to kind of lock it into place. And then on top of that, you get two separate screw sections with some large washers, very large washers. So you get a rubber washer that'll go against the frame so that you don't scratch the frame. You have this metal washer that goes over the top, which should clearly cover that hole up top completely. That's right up there. Shoot that through. This should come off the top here, right? Okay, there we go. So that's how that's done right there, guys. That's locked in. I've got to tighten it now, but that's pretty much how it's going to be. Just make sure that you have your rubber closest to the surface. And actually, I'm going to switch out the rubber piece because I currently have it sitting on top of this band, but above it is actually, I got to put this actually on the top now that I think about it, because I need to have that rubber against the paints. And currently that rivet that's in that handband here, in this band portion, this piece of metal is now sitting solely on the metal. So thank God I didn't tighten it down yet. So good little fix for me to figure out. Switch that around and put that on top. There we go. Put that down here and then put this through this hole right there. There we go. All right, tighten on like you did before. Okay. Oh, I see why. There we go. Yep, there we go. All right, let's do this with this. Same thing. All right, guys, that is it. We're gonna check something real quick though. There we go. Now, will this close just fine? No problem. I've got some good grab handles. Isn't that cool? Pretty simple. Take a couple shots on there so that you guys can see what's going on. But I like yeah, and that's gonna hold even me. So that's gonna hold some good force. Love it, love it. All right, let's go take care of the other ones. So the reason why this is so difficult is it's just almost blind. I'll take a photo and show you what I'm talking about. But let's get in here first. Let's see if I can get in here any better. There we go. That's it. That's much better. Yay. There we go. There it is. Doesn't get in the way with the door at all. All right, so I'm gonna knock out the other two. We'll take a couple quick photos on this, but yeah. And like I said, it's all done. So now, love the fact that I can just reach in, grab up. Most importantly, when we're out cruising, I love this idea. I can grab a hold of it. Love it. Situate yourself. Yeah. Sweet. All right. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time. And I'm out.